Hi, well, we've been inspecting an eruption here for the last 6 months. The volcano is located on the eastern volcanic zone of Iceland, so there's a lot of activity here. You've probably heard of the Katla volcano, which is coupled up to this volcano, very close together. And this is also where we've got the Mid-Atlantic Ridge sort of pulling apart, so that's causing our activity. A study conducted by Sigmundson et al. 2009 last summer recorded 170 earthquakes in this region, which were 8 to 12 kilometres deep, so that was quite shallow focus. This told us that there was an eruption nearing. There was also a displacement of 40 millimetres, so if you look on my ruler, that's probably about that much. Doesn't seem much to you and your audience, but that's quite major, and that was telling us that something was going to occur quite soon. There has been a lot of studies on this volcano over the past sort of 10 to 15 years, and there was a lot of activity in 1999 and 2004, which was recorded by Sturkel and his colleagues in 2009. As you can see from our diagram, this volcano is very similar to the Hawaiian volcanoes, a shield volcano, but we've got a situation where a glacier is over the top of the volcano, so this has sort of complicated the situation. I've actually emailed you some pre-eruption photos so you can sort of see the actual situation back in the studio. We've been consulting with previous research on the volcano, and it seems that the last 2 eruptions have erupted basaltic lava, so they've just sort of moved down the sides of the volcano quite slowly, and it's been very fluid in nature, so it hasn't really caused a lot of trouble to the atmosphere, for example. It's more about spreading sort of the area. But we've been consulting research from Blake 1970, who's identified several intervals of silicic magma, and this is the situation we've got at the moment. This silicic magma is sort of erupting and it's shooting up into the atmosphere, and because we've got this glacier on top, the glassy particles are moving sort of 12-15 kilometres into the air, and this is currently the situation we're at.